Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Nissan Qashqai 1.5 diesel N-Connecta. Now this is a supercar finished in the storm white metallic paint finish and sat on the 18-inch bicolour alloys. Lovely vehicle, so the new model front end, and as I say, the bicolour alloy wheels are all finished in fantastic condition. Now this car has 5 services in the service book, and also we'll service it before it leaves us. Now an N-Teca, or an N-Connecta he says, is a wonderfully specified car. So just listen to this: front and rear parking sensors, panoramic glass roof, 360 surround cameras where you can see down the sides, and a reverse camera, and then internally we get satellite navigation. What a wonderful spec car. Bodywork is in fantastic condition when you look around it. The alloy wheels are all in great order. 2 keys. You can really tell when you look round a car, when you've been in this job a long time, that somebody was really cherished this car. Pop open the boot, and Nissans and Qashqais have a fantastic size boot, so if you're looking for a family vehicle, then look no further than one of these. Now it's got a twin boot floor, so you've got those panels you can use to stop things being slid around. It will have the inflation tyre device there, but look at that for a boot space. You can fit anything in. Now this 1.5 DCI engine is arguably one of the best on the market. Mercedes-Benz buy this engine and put it in their A-class diesels. That just shows you how trusted this engine is in the market. Now, privacy glass, we also have keyless entry, keyless start. Keys are here in my pocket, so we've got 2 keys there. But all in all, that is a cracker. If you like that glass panoramic roof, your kids will love that glass panoramic roof. Go to Blackpool Illuminations and you've got then a sunshine sky roof where you can see everything. Now inside this spec doesn't stop. 4 electric windows, power folding door mirrors, and then we get this lovely charcoal grey and black sports interior. And then the newer models get a square bottom leather trim steering wheel. Now this is a lovely low mileage car. So 35,258 miles in 5 years. Not so many miles that. But have a look at that specification: lane change warning, multifunction wheel, cruise control, automatic wipers, automatic headlamps, lovely leather stitching on that wheel, nice stereo system. I'll run through there. So we've got the sat nav button there, starting navigation. I'll select the reverse camera, so there we've got the reverse camera, there we've got the 360, there's somebody walking by. Climate control, air conditioning, nav's up on there now, and then we've got auxiliary, auto hold handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox, all the books, locking wheel nut keys in the glove box, this lovely grey titanium detail, and then as you come down the centre console we get gloss. We've got then storage in the centre armrest, which is huge, and then that wonderful panoramic glass roof there with a roof blind, so if it's too cold in winter or too hot in summer, we can close that blind and have a nice ambient temperature in the car. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell you the last keeper was a non-smoker. That has a lovely fresh clean smell in that car. Now we've shampooed it internally and got it to the best. Our cars are presented to the highest of standard. In the rear as well, you can see, look at the seats, no tears, rips, cigarette burns, residue. But that car is an absolute cracker. It's doing a little pit there because I've got the keys in my pocket. Bodywork's in fantastic condition. What more could you need? What a wonderful car. Now as I come around the front here, you'll see the LED signature lights on these newer Nissan Qashqais. But yeah, what a fantastic spec car. So if you'd like any more info, I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dominic on sales. We'll be happy to help in any way. If you've got a part exchange or you need finance, we can do that. If you only want to come to Wigan once, we can take a reservation deposit on it and get it ready for you so you only visit us once. Check out our reviews, check out our online Facebook page. You see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars just like you're thinking of doing now. But as for now, Thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.